Oh, hello everybody. Today I'll show you how could you make actually a face cam vid. So it's going to be probably easy. I'm using today KitKat Pro, and why is my it's not actually focusing right now. So wait, I just zoned the video. Okay. So all you need to do, please focus, goddamn. Okay, there we go. Now it's focused. So you gotta do is you gotta two vids, one up in the above the this video. This video must be has the gameplay vids. Yeah, I mean the game you record, and this must be the face cam. So let me do this and do this and then. And then undo. That's a lot of undo. Okay. So I just undo everything. So here's the vid. And yeah, so okay. So first you're gonna double click this video, and now you just change it to landscape mode. Oh my god, why this is so hard? Like that. Once you change it, now you can do whatever you want, and like that. You can actually make it small. And you can also create a costume transition by simply clicking this button. Click that button. Why will you not click the button? God, the button. So click the plus button. Now you can do costume transition. So so you can do this. Bye bye. I'm back. Just like that. And yeah, once you're done, can actually extend that. So in the past, I use a movie to edit the goddamn video. So let's see our video. What's up, guys? My name is no one. What's up, guys? You like that, guys? Yeah, I know. My name is no one. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, wait. Why is my... Oh, wait, Yeah, the costume transition is not working that much, so let me just shorten the transition so it will work, maybe, or maybe not. So here we go again. Guys, my name is no one. Yeah, my name is no one. What's up, my name is no one. Yeah, I know. My name is yeah, why is the costume transition? Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, okay, so let me just delete the goddamn transition. Delete that as we add a new costume transitions. So it should go here, and here, and that's it. So let me go rewind a little bit. This work. Yeah, that's how you work with this reason why it's broken. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Yeah, that's how you do in KitKat Pro. And by the way, if you like the video, please subscribe, like the video. And I don't want to do any more editing stuff. Yeah, so you need two vids. Make sure that the vid, mess your drop out of the other vid there. I use the iCloud something blah blah blah, and how you use to share your video to other device. Make sure you share it. So you can go on this device and put it on a cute cat into this base. Make sure, remember, here it must be the gaming video that you try to that you're playing, and here must be the face cam. So you must make it short, and you can do custom transitions except for a movie, and a Kit Kat Pro is the best. So after that, if you're done, just do the export album and select whatever quality you want. So this is the video, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. And bye.